Imagine you are a regional manager and you need to quickly understand which product categories and regions are performing best, for example. Today I show you how Power BI can turn raw sales data into a dynamic interactive dashboard so you can make informed decisions swiftly. First, we bring our data into Power BI. Go to Home, Get Data, and select Excel Workbook, and press Continue. Then select Sales Demo Dataset, open it. On the left side, we check the sales data box and load it later. This dataset contains sales by region, product categories, and month. Now be loaded. Now the dataset is ready in table view, and we can start visualizing. Next, we add a card to show total sales, a key KPI for managers to assess overall performance at a glance. From data, drag sales into the cart, and you can see the total sales. By default, the title is Sum of Sales, but to make it clearer, we can change its title to Total Sales. To see how the regions are performing, we create a clustered column chart because it's ideal for comparing region. Select it first, drag region to the x-axis and sales to the y-axis. As you can see here, each region is performing the best, while West region needs more attention. Next, we add a line chart, as it's perfect for spotting trends over time. Drag month to the x-axis and sales to the y-axis. Here we can see sales are declining, unfortunately. So a manager can investigate the causes and take actions like boosting marketing or adjusting pricing. And finally, we add a product category slicer to help managers focus on one or more products at the same time. Alright, from sales data, we drag product to this card. Once the manager selects one of this product category, the whole dashboard updates automatically. By the way, he or she can select multiple products by holding Ctrl. So in just a few minutes, we transform raw Excel data into a dynamic interactive dashboard. From here, we can focus on a specific region or products to make informed decisions quickly. And one final question, how can you check total sales or regional sales for a specific month using this dashboard? Please write your answer in the comment section so I check them one by one. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.